Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error connecting to a server within Omegle. So sometimes when you try to chat, video chat or just text chat in Omegle, you get the error connecting to the server, which is quite annoying. So here's a way to fix it. So let's try first. If I get the error right now, so tap on video. And check these boxes, and then tap on confirm and continue. Allow access to my camera and microphone. And as you can see, error connected to server, please try again. When I try it again, I still get the error all the time. So let's leave Omegle again and let's go to this NordVPN. So I have a link in the description and in the pinned comments. So NordVPN is a VPN that fixes the annoying error. So basically what it does is changes your location, and this way you can chat on Omegle without this annoying error all the time. So basically when you tap the link in the description or in the pinned comment, you get an insane discount of nearly 70%, which is extremely much, and you get 3 months for free. So it's around $3 per month. And what you can do is you can just buy NordVPN, and then what you can do is you can just buy it and you can refund your money before 30 days. So you can just go to Omegle with this VPN, do your thing, and when you're done with this VPN or with Omegle, you can just refund all of your money and you get everything back. They don't ask questions. It's very, very cool. And NordVPN is just the best VPN in the game. As you can see, better than ExpressVPN, Private VPN, Proton VPN, and Pure VPN. But yeah, there are free VPNs out there, but they won't work on Omegle. I've tried nearly every VPN, but yeah, it doesn't work. NordVPN works. It's extremely cheap or free if you refund your money, and it works well. So I hope this video is helpful. If you want this VPN, click the link in the description or in the pinned comments for a discount, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.